on, hurry up. Get in. You ready?
I guess.
I'm a great flyer. No worries, I'm a great flyer. Like, absolutely great.
Says the last person that flew me ran right into a barrier.
Okay, so left click. Left click.
Nothing happening.
Are you left clicking?
There we go.
I guess I only control the rockets and... Okay, we gotta find something to blow up. Oh, we're swaying a little bit too much there.
Keep me steady, yikes.
Okay, let's blow up that vehicle right there. The Jeep. Let's find something to blow. Let's go blow up that desk and chair then. Where's it? Oh god, swaying a little bit too much there. Bombing this.
You suck at keeping things steady.
Yeah, I gotta keep it steady. What are you talking about?
You're moving about.
I'm doing all this in the camera for the rockets, so I can't see jack. All I see is rockets. Oh god, what we hit? Oh god, oh no, we're out of, oh, I'm sorry, mind. I'm really am sorry. I'm sorry.
Shit, I don't have very much experience on this shit. Let's see.
What? Hit R, as in rabbit. Yeah, you got it.
Let's see. What are my freaking controls on this thing? Let's see. Aircraft. Oh, shit. Let's see. Pitch, throttle. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh yeah, don't flip.
I told you. I told you I suck.
Hold down left click. You're holding down left click?
Yes.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. You gotta steady it out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Your freaking sky thing is loud. Oh, yeah, we gotta steady it out again. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's find some rockets to shoot. Oh, there's a gas station. Let's bomb that. Here we go. Okay, we're going down. Oh, I'm sorry. I suck too.
Can I, like, resign from this?